Alright, hey guys, today we're gonna be unboxing some packages that I got from the mail. There was supposed to be another package arriving. It was supposed to be today, but I guess that's gonna be arriving tomorrow, I'm gonna assume, so, yeah, and these packages are gonna determine what I'm gonna review next. So, yeah, let's go. Actually, I'm gonna put this one down. Let's see what this one contains. So, let me just crack this one open, and you'll see what I picked up. Some insert, and oh, it's upside down, but shattered glass slicer, aka wheeljack. I don't know whichever one you want to like call him. That looks really good, considering he was one of the deluxes out of the wave that I'm excited for. Finally got him in hand, and here's the included comic book if you want to see that. Really cool. Really cool. Yeah. So, yeah. Let's just put them off to the side. And then we got another one. And both of these are from Hasbro Pulse, I can tell. Those. And then, want to look at this. Here we got Flame War. Let's have her out of the box. And, ooh, she's a bit in for the box. She's a little warped. Oh well. Here we have Flame War. She looks really cool. Yeah, definitely more impressive than RC. And then here's her comic book. You want to pause there. And yeah, I'm gonna, what do you call it? End the recording right here, but I'll record the part where the next package is already arrived at my doorstep. So I'll see you in the next clip. Alright, got the package here. Judging by the description, you might get an idea on what this is, so, but we will crack this thing open. Don't know why it has the, inspect tape for some reason. But, yeah. We'll see what's in this box. So, you guys got an idea on what this is? We're gonna take it out. Oh, it's pretty big. But yes, got my hands on a Hero is Born 2-pack with Alpha Trion and Orion packs, and something feels rattly. Hold on, let me just inspect the merchandise here. Let me just inspect it, because this kind of feels suspicious. Dang. Yeah, just gonna inspect this. You guys are gonna get to see me unbox this. What the? Oh yeah, Orion Pax's leg fell off, and what the heck? And the piece of Albatron, whatever. So yeah, that's my unboxing video. comment down below what you want to see reviewed. You want to see this or the shattered glass stuff? But I'll do a voting on Instagram. But if it's shattered glass stuff, I'm gonna go with Slicer first, and then Flame War, and then this. If you vote shattered glass, but if it's this, then you know, yeah. See you in the next review.